Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button down below. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future amazing cheap product reviews just like this one. Today we've got a mini tripod. I bought this thing for just like $1 or something like that. Very cheap. It's, clip your phone onto pretty much anything. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, we're going to use this karambit knife that I reviewed in another video to open this thing up. Just slice right on through. You want to be a little careful so that way you're not, slicing through your product. But let's go ahead and open it up. And of course I made the mistake of going with a blue one. So essentially it's not going to have a lot of contrast on the blue table. But nonetheless, let's open it up. It is protected in a layer of plastic, which is always a good thing. And you can see what we get in the package is your tripod with its little flexible legs. And you also get a mount to mount your phone onto this bad boy. So we'll go ahead and take this out of the package. Alright. That was kind of difficult. Alright, so essentially this is going to screw right on here. And once you're screwed on, you've got this part. And then basically you can not drop it, just the leg so it stays. Okay. And then you can slide a phone right into it. It does have a little bit of give, but that's because there's a little adjuster knob on here that you tighten it down, so you can tighten it down in basically whatever orientation you want. So you can have this thing record in there, do some stuff there, sit up there, record, blah blah blah. It's not a bad little product. So it's got these little rubberish type foam feet on it. It's got little grippies on the bottom, so that way you get a real good grip on whatever surface you're on. They're extremely flexible to the point where you can wrap them around a pole or anything like that. It's got a pretty much a plastic construction, this black plastic type of construction, besides the little metal pieces for the screw-on parts. This top part that attaches your phone is spring-loaded, so that way it can fit a pretty decent sized phone. This is a small one, but I wouldn't be surprised if it easily fit something on the larger side like phones are nowadays. It's got this nice little foam padding here on the bottom so you don't scratch up your phone. For $1, I'm extremely impressed. This thing is pretty well made, and as like an on-the-go little tripod, it works out pretty nicely and I enjoy it. So as far as I can tell, it's a pretty nice little product. If you want to get your own, I'll pop a link to it in the description. Again, it was super cheap, super easy to get. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right there, down in that area somewhere. If you want to check out the last video, it's up there. And if you want to check out the future playlist, it's up there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.